How to fix Messenger video call sound problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Messenger video call sound problem. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device. Here tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen and further tap on the settings button. Here tap on the notifications and sounds option and make sure the toggle button for play while using app is toggled on. And also you can tap on the text tone option and change your notification sound if you want. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device and tap on notifications and scroll down and tap on the messenger option and make sure the toggle button for allow notifications is toggled on. Also make sure the lock screen, notification center and banners options are selected. Next, make sure the toggle button for sounds and badges is toggled on too. In settings again, scroll down until you see the messenger option and tap on that. Here, make sure you have given access to all the options in here, which includes microphone, camera, and many more. And by now, your messenger video call sound should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.